first official version of WordPress was released on the 27th of May 2003, 20 years ago. This version here, 0.71 Gold, has been updated from a version released in early June 2003 to work on PHP 8, and which is what I'm demoing here. In the announcement letter, Matt Mullenweg wrote that WordPress has some new features. Texturize. So good it'll make your coat squirrel. Quote. You can see that these single quotes and double quotes in this blog post have been converted into opening and closing quotes in some cases, or just curly quotes in others. It also has a WordPress links, a link manager. And these are the links here. So I can click on the link to WordPress Portsmouth Meetup, Wikipedia, and the WordPress 20th anniversary website, which is why I'm making this video. XHTML 1.1 compliance, highly intelligent line breaks, new admin interface, manual excerpts, and new default templates. All of these things in WordPress 0.7. Now, how do you actually get to see these things? Well, here we can see a series of blog posts written on the 20th of February 2023, 1, 2, 3, and the times of them, and they're written by admin, and they've been categorized as being in 20th, general, and general. If I want to change them, I need to log in. I'll log in, and I'll log in as admin, and since it's already knows I've logged in, it demonstrates to me the posts. Well, the first thing I can see is an empty post. It's because I might want to write a brand new one. If I go down, scroll down, I can see the posts that I could edit. So let's go and choose the one I was looking at here and click on edit, and we can see the text editor. So this section here, the excerpt, is a manual excerpt which enables us to see a short bit of the post inside the RSS feed. I think that's right. How do we see the RSS feed? Let's go back to the website again and click on RSS, and we can see the manual excerpt there. And back to the editor. As you can see, inside the editor we have a stretchable text area in which we write our HTML. Now, in some places I haven't actually written paragraph tags and break tags. That's because of these highly intelligent line breaks, which will put them in for me. But in other places I've had to write the tags myself. Now, I could have clicked on these buttons here to insert certain bits, but I actually just sat down and wrote the HTML, which is quite a painful thing. In the early version of this, if you clicked on one of these buttons, it didn't put it where your cursor was. I'll give you an example. It didn't put it there, it put it at the end. So here we've started an italicized bit or an emphasis. No, I'm going to just delete that. If I did want to save the post, I would now choose to hit edit this, and that saves it. I can then go back and visit the site and see what I've done. Now, WordPress version 0.70 was a long time ago, and the version 0.71, which I've been modifying, was released just a few days later with a number of different fixes, one of which was issue number 20. Templates area does it work, that's sick, if WP installed is changed. And would you believe that the maximum size of an image that you could upload into a blog post was 96 kilobytes, KB. It's tiny, isn't it? Well, it wasn't until version 1.2 in May 2004 that the plugin architecture was added. So a plugin such as Hello Dolly and Kismet could then be developed. And it wasn't until, and in 2004, ticket number 200 was raised. But it wasn't until 2005, in version 1.5, that we had a theme system added, in which the default theme was called Kubrick. Prior to that, you could have to edit templates, and then later on, other different things happened. And the reason I'm telling you this now may become relevant later. Let's have a look at some of the other functionalities. So we can click on the different category, either on this sidebar menu or there. We can do a search for certain things, such as Splittenberg, which of course hadn't even been thought of, but is now the 35th most popular downloaded plugin. And we can have a look at the different ways of displaying information which could be used when bloggers are sharing their content. We can look at archives of posts for different months. And here's the first one I wrote when I first ported this thing 10 years ago about WordPress's 10th anniversary. Right, let's go into the admin. Log in, see the different things to do. So here we can write our posts. I'm going to write a new one, title, new post, our creative post. This is post. And block this. And then we go and visit the site. There is a new post. Go back. We can have a look at other different things. There's a team. We can have more than one user. I have a user called admin, who I'm currently logged in as, and a user called WP, who I created. And the admin person has level 10 capability, and WP has slightly lower. Now, I have no idea what these different levels are, but I could actually change the user and bring his level up and down. Options. Oh, a piece of code that I haven't actually worked on yet. And therefore it breaks because it uses some functionality which is in PHP 4 or 5 but isn't in PHP 8. In other cases I've added that function call into all the code to make it work. Categories, we can see there are currently in this site 4 different categories, and I can add another one. And now there's 5 different categories. We seem to have lost category number 4. Template is this strange thing where instead of having a theme you can have some templates, and I can choose a number of different templates to work on. I haven't actually tried editing this, but if I did, I think it would update it directly in place. Manage links is where you can create these blog links. This was some software which added by Mike Little, I understand. And I haven't tried to import BlogRoll because I don't have one, and I didn't know there were link categories, but it looks very similar to categories for posts. Now, is there taxonomy of tags in this version? No, I don't think so. Manage links. My profile is where I can edit some information about myself, and this appears in a pop-up. I haven't filled anything in there. View site, and I can log out, maybe log back in as someone else. So let's log in as WP. What was his password? Nice and secure. I've used the password of WP for WP. And here we can see blog posts which include everybody else's, but I wonder if I can actually try it. I can't change this one because I don't have edit capability. There you go. There's WordPress version 0.7 for you, 20-year-old software. You might notice if you're a WordPress user that it has advanced quite a lot since it was first written. I've been Herb Miller for WordPress Portsmouth Meetup. Bye bye.